There we go. I think that worked. How we doing?
There's latency, so it hasn't updated yet.
There we go. Oh, that audio sounds rough, bro. Audio sounds rough.
Is it coming into your other microphone?
I think so. Oh, I see it. It's because
says Cole camera. There we go. We should be set now.
Perfect.
There we go, bro. There we go.
Sounds good. What's going on, everyone?
That should be all groovy. First one in the books. You know what's crazy? Like one day we're gonna look back at this and like look at this first live stream and just be like, we just kind of sent it. It's gonna be crazy, dude.
It's funny. Here we are.
Right. Okay, I think we're all set now. How we looking? I don't even have eyes on how much people are in here, so you're gonna have to guide me through that one.
Yeah. No worries. I wouldn't stress it too much. I say we just dive right into it.
Yeah, I'm about to go live on TikTok as well. Boom. Let's go. Alrighty. What's going on, everybody? Let's see.
Take a second. I'm a stranger in the room. I'll take a second to introduce myself.
Yeah, this will be played back as well, so people are gonna be able to reference it and be like, you know, so it's almost, live streams are cool because I guess it's almost like a YouTube video too, because people from the present are gonna be looking back at this and being like, who are these dudes?
That's funny.
All right, bro, tell them what's up.
Yeah, what's up, everybody? My name's Brennan. Cole and I are business partners. Co-founder here at OSSA.AI. Current position is head of growth among many other things. Just a little bit of background on myself. Done a lot of different digital marketing related things. Done a lot of things in just generating interest in different products across the internet. So Cole and I have been working on this product for about 12 months. Fast forward to where we are today. We have a product that is ready in its MVP stage to go to market. Right now, there's an opportunity to apply as one of the select beta testers. We're selecting a certain amount of people to come in and try the product for themselves in a beta program. The product is really cool. I'll just give a really high level overview of what it is. There's a really good video that explains it on OSSA.AI, which is the domain. If you go to just any internet browser and type in OSSA.AI, you can also watch that video. But essentially, what Cole and I have built is a text to video AI generation tool. So if you think about something like ChatGPT, where you put a prompt in one side and then it gives you a text output back. What we've built is you put text in one side and it gives you a full short form, fully edited short form video out the other side, narrated with images, emojis, subtitles. We've really catered everything. We've taken Cole's brain and kind of downloaded it and put it into this custom model that we built. And the beautiful thing about it is everything is designed from the very ground up to get organic attention. And so everything is based on engagement and retention and keeping people engaged in the video that you're actually generating. So it's really cool. On one side you put text in, on the other side you get a video out. Like I said, that beta is open for application, so people can go in and apply for that beta.
Yeah.
Are you live on TikTok now?
Yeah, we're also live on TikTok. Everybody who's in TikTok, we're also live on YouTube right now. I got my partner Brennan here as well. If you guys have not heard, it's echoing a little bit. Okay, interesting. I wonder if that's because, maybe you're coming through on my desktop as well. Can you speak again, Brennan?
Yeah.
Okay, now go.
Yeah, I'm talking.
There we go. That's good.
Check.
Thank you, Grace. All right, guys. Anybody who's in the TikTok live, make sure you guys go to link in my bio. So you can find that in my bio. We have the Discord open. We're actually live on YouTube right now. I'm live with my partner, co-founder, head of growth here, Brennan. So you guys will get a lot more familiar with him. If you guys are hearing me talk on TikTok right now and you're like, what are you talking about? I can't see anything. That's because we're live on YouTube. So if you want to get there, go to the link in my bio and then come and join the Discord. And then if you go to the announcement channel, you can get the link to the YouTube live. We're live right now. We're going to be opening up the stage chat in about 20 minutes here and taking your guys' questions. So if you guys want to come chat with Brennan and I, learn more about the product, he just gave a high level overview here in the YouTube live. But yeah, I mean, I couldn't have said it better myself. Brennan and I have been working on this for the past 12 months. It's been a roller coaster to say the least. We've been definitely through the highs and the lows, and there's a lot more highs and a lot more lows, and then even more lows from there. And we know how it goes. It's been a long journey, and you know, in the beginning, him and I had really just no idea what we wanted to build. We just knew we wanted to build something together. And I know, and the reason I'm saying this quick little story is because this is kind of going to be our first live stream and a massive milestone for us, because we'll look back at this, you know, in a year, 2 years, 3 years, and be like, you remember that live stream where we just basically threw together, you know, a quick little piece of art on Canva and just threw it on the live stream and got after it. And that's just kind of how it is. But yeah, I mean, a little bit about how Brennan and I met. We met back probably like three years ago. It's been a long time. So we met in some other business ventures, and you know, he's been a good friend to me, and it's just, we share a lot of the same likings to what we like to do in life, a lot of the same stances on a lot of things, and we just like to work and build really cool things. So that's exactly what OSSA is, and we're excited to obviously host more YouTube live streams, daily stage calls in the Discord every day at 3 p.m. We're committed to that for the next 30 days. Community's already growing. We literally just started pushing and making the product public, like 2 days ago, and we're closing in on 400 Discord members. So that's pretty crazy. Obviously, we really appreciate all the support. But yeah, I mean, it's been a wild ride. We've definitely been at this for a while. We have another developer on board. His name's Jaden. He's not here because he's currently developing, as he does. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of just a high level overview on kind of what this is and why we're having this. Oh, happy Halloween, by the way, everyone.
Yeah, just to back up really quick, also, Cole, to just talk about the product for the people that are just joining, and essentially what we built. Cole and I got together and we mapped out every single problem that somebody would encounter while they were trying to create content, especially try to create content for the first time, for that matter. There's a lot of people that are extremely talented at visualizing content and thinking of an idea or a concept, but then they lack in other departments. Like video editing can be expensive if you hire a full-time editor. All sorts of different aspects that create problems in the content creation process. And so what we built is something that eliminates a lot of those problems for the average person, to put that content creativity back in the hands of the user for the first time ever. There's never been anything like what Cole and I have built here. So it's truly groundbreaking, and I'm personally really excited, especially after working so hard on it. I'm excited for people to get their hands on it, start using it, and start getting videos that are generated and created by the community shared around inside the Discord.
Yeah, 100%. Couldn't have said it better myself. And then, yeah, I mean, might as well show you guys a little look. So I actually made a post today on our TikTok. So I'm going to pull that up here on my PC and show you guys in a second here. So I'm going to log into TikTok here. Let's just pop on here. Then I'll show you guys. Share screen. So let's come to middle screen right here. Let's go to OSSA.AI. So yeah, essentially the video I'm about to show you guys, it actually got 800 views. Kind of crazy. That was our first post. But essentially the video which you guys are about to see, everybody in the YouTube live right now, this entire video has been generated just using words. So I'm going to show that right now. This is essentially what the product is. You've heard us talking about it for a second. Essentially you're probably wondering, okay, guys, what is the product? So I'm going to show you guys an example of what the capabilities of OSSA.AI are. And just imagine yourself coming to the UI, logging in, creating an account, and being able to just provide a script and generate this entire video just using words. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. Here we go. Let's see if I can get the audio. Boom.
Friends, in the abandoned asylum, a group of friends unwittingly awakens a malevolent force that haunts the very depths of their fears. As the night unfolds, secrets are revealed, alliances fracture, and one of them pays the ultimate price. The asylum's dark past becomes a nightmarish present, and they must confront their inner demons to escape the relentless terror. Dark Echoes is a spine-tingling journey into a world where the past never truly dies and nightmares become reality. In the abandoned asylum, a group...
All right, Brennan, walk them through what they just saw.
Yeah, absolutely. Every time I see a video that comes out of it, I'm just blown away. So essentially what you just saw is a perfectly curated short form video, exactly what you would expect to see in your feed as you scroll through TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, however you consume short form content. It's a perfectly curated video for that exact format. It has everything that you're expecting, with sound effects to smooth transitions to emojis and subtitles that are fast-paced, single-word subtitles. Everything that you would get if you were to go out and build out an entire system to hire an editor and go through the entire process, which is extremely expensive and time-consuming. Cole knows a lot about it. And so,
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, what you're looking at is this perfectly curated video that is generated from just text, which is a world's first. It's never been done before, and for the first time ever, people will be able to bring just text and get fully edited, compiled videos that are contextually relevant to the script that they put into the product. And on the back end, they can have a themed video that fits the niche of their page, that they can consistently pump out content and scale their social media channels. One thing that Cole has taught me with social media is consistency is king. And when you create a system, it's very difficult for a lot of people to stay consistent with it.
Yep.
For a lot of reasons, life just gets in the way. But with this, what's really beautiful about this is that it's very, very low friction. I mean, you show up with words, you put words in it, and out the other side comes a fully ready to upload video across all platforms, which is really brilliant. And like I said, it's the first time it's ever been done, and there's nothing even relatively close to what we've built.
Yeah, I mean, well said. I mean, exactly how, I couldn't put it any better. And I think that last thing you said is that there really is. And I think, what's crazy about even this live right now, right, is that we know exactly what we built and we know how big it's going to be. And people just need to understand it. And once we have our beta releasing on December 1st, 2023, so that's exactly just about a month from now. And once we get closer and the community grows and we do these live calls more and we have our stage chats, which we're going to open up in about 5 to 10 minutes here in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, I actually dropped the link in the chat. So make sure that you guys come join. I'll drop it one more time. Boom, right there. So come and join the Discord. We're going to do a stage chat if you guys want to come ask questions about the product to us, Brennan and I. But the one thing that's crazy is that as we get closer to the beta, we actually allow people to use the product. I think then people will truly realize the power of what we've built, because it's very hard. It's always difficult to get something across when you just see it. But once people really put their own script in, and then on the other side, they have a video and they're like, oh my God, like, what do I do with this? And it's like, you just go and take it and you post it. And it's like, something like that has never been built because it cuts out so many of the steps in between, right? Because I personally know, and Brennan mentioned this just a moment ago, I've gone through dozens of editors, right? And I've edited videos myself, and it takes hours, like literally hours. At the peak of me doing social media, I was editing for at least 2 hours a day, just creating a really engaging short form piece of content. Like, think about how much time it takes to do long form content, which is a whole nother conversation. Just in short form, if you really want to create quality videos, it's a lot of work and it takes a lot of reps. So we've aimed to concise down the amount of effort that needs to be put in without sacrificing creativity, because our goal is not to replace human creativity, but to supplement it. And that's essentially what the tool has done. I actually have another prototype that Jaden provided me with. I'm going to show this real quick. We'll probably be showing it in the stage chat as well. So let me see if I can pull this up real quick. All right, let's see. So this was a script that was provided by one of our community members, Trent. He's a really awesome community member. And he's been in, he's from my old community as well, the Coral Army community. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with that. So let's go ahead and check this out. I haven't even seen this myself, and neither has Brennan. So this is a brand new video. And this was actually a script. His name's Trent. He wrote his own script and gave it to us and said, can you make a video for me based off this script? So this was completely, essentially his script. And so this actual style that you guys are going to see, This is in the futuristic sci-fi style, which is going to be one of the styles, one of many styles that we're going to be allowing our beta testers to use. So let's go ahead and check this out. I haven't actually seen this.
Trent, a curious historian, sifts through dusty boxes. He uncovers an ancient, weathered chest. As excited as he was, he thought, could this be it? With trembling hands, he opens the chest to reveal a trove of century-old artifacts, jewels, and a faded journal. A treasure forgotten for 100 years. Trent carefully examines the artifacts and begins reading the journal, unraveling a historical mystery that connects him to a bygone era. The past has something to tell us.
That's pretty crazy, dude. That's just
insane.
And that was just a one-off. Like, he just basically said, can you make a video using these words? And we just took his words and we made that entire video. And keep in mind, like, when we say we made the video, it's the product which we built, because we're not editors. Like, we're saying we've built the software to generate what you guys just saw. So pretty incredible. It looks like we're closing in on 3:20 here. I know this was going to be a really quick live stream. So maybe we should pop into the Discord and open up that stage call. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. Just a couple things that I wanted to mention here before we go ahead and end out here. One really big thing is, like Cole had mentioned, the beta for the product opens December 1st, 2023. So just about 1 month from today, the private beta. Now, the only way to get into that private beta is to go join the Discord and navigate to the apply for beta channel and actually send in that application. If we don't have that application, then we can't give you beta access. And it's important that people get this done early, because obviously we just announced this. You're super early, but the beta is going to be first come, first serve to qualified people. And so there's a limited number of beta spots. So it's very important that people get over into the Discord and go through that apply for beta. And last thing I want to mention is, just because the beta isn't live yet and people can't go and create accounts and log in and start to use the product themselves, what we've done is we've created a channel called Script Creation inside the Discord. And if you want to run a script through the product and see how it will respond to your words, you can share your script idea inside the Script Creation channel, and we'll go ahead and generate that video for you and then showcase it in front of everybody on a stage call inside the Discord. So opportunity to become a beta tester, opportunity to get some recognition, opportunity to see how the product works before the beta actually happens. And if you're not in the Discord yet, then you're making a grave mistake, in my opinion.
Yeah, and just to reiterate that, so you guys can even see on the screen here. So here's that script creation chat. And if you come down here, you can see that there is apply for beta. So you guys would see this right here, and then you click here and you can apply to become a beta tester. So whether you're seeing this now, whether you're seeing this 2 weeks into November, or 3 weeks into November, right? If you're seeing this right now and it's before December 1st, the beta testing applications are still open. So make sure you come into Discord. You can use the link below. It's in the description. Come in there, come apply, say hi to the community in the general chat, come stop by. We're super active in there. And we're always looking for feedback. So we're looking forward to seeing you guys in there. And we'll see everybody in the Discord.